Hi everyone, my name is Peter Coyle, and today I'll be demoing the iOS app, which is called Regatta Start Timer. So this app is for when you're at the beginning of a sailboat race and you're going towards the starting line and you want to be going as fast as you can right as the race starts. So this is kind of a utility to help you do that. It's not like a sprint where you're starting at the line, they yell go when you start. You have to be going as fast as you can in order to get the most advantage. So I'm just going to start up the GPS right now because we're doing this on a simulator. Okay, so now we have the GPS going, and this dot represents us. The first thing that you're going to do as you get to the race course is you're going to go towards the starting line. In a sailboat race, the starting line changes every race, the position and the direction of it. So you're going to go to one end of it, and you'll say set the pin, right? And what that'll do is leave a mark on our map, letting it know where the pin is. When you get to the other end of the line, usually that's a committee boat. They're the racing committee, the people who watch the line. You'll set the committee boat, and that'll draw a nice little race starting line on our map. Now I have this cheat button here, which will just draw a new starting line on our map that we'll be using for the demo. And you'll see the boat's going to be hanging out up here, and then it's going to eventually make its way down through the starting line as the race begins. So the next part of the race is getting synced up with the race committee boat's timer. They're going to set off a warning signal, usually 5 minutes before the start. So you'll try and hit that. If you don't hit that, which often happens because you're getting ready, but you'll hear the first horn, there's another horn 1 minute later, and that's the prep signal, and that's 4 minutes before the race starts. So if you miss the warning signal, you can reset, and you can start at the prep signal. Now, usually this starts 4 minutes before the start, but I reprogrammed it just for our purposes so that I can reset it a couple of times for the demo, and it starts 1 minute before the start. But basically, this is displaying all the different warning signals that you'll hear before a race starts. If you're off by a second or two, you can add it or subtract it just to sync yourself up a little bit better. So now here's where it all comes together. Here you are in your boat, and you see that the start is 30 seconds away, the way we have it right now. And you want to know, am I going to be late to the line or am I going to be early to the line? Right now, the start's only 20 seconds away, and we're all the way up here, and we have to get all the way down here to start the race. So we're a little late right now. That's not a good thing. Let's just reset it quickly so I can show you a little bit more. Now it's a little bit closer. You're within 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe we'll be able to make that time up. Right now it's telling you, oh, you're about 20 seconds late based on the start. This is usually not information that you have. Imagine driving in a car and you want to say, I want to be 100 yards away exactly 20 seconds from now. You know, it's kind of hard to time that so you're going maximum speed at that point. So this tool kind of helps you do that. And I think right now you'll see the boat, it'll start to speed up as it's getting towards the line to try and make that, to reduce the amount that it's late. And just to show you that you can make it early as well, we'll restart. Now the start is too far away. Now you're 28 seconds early, so you'd want to slow down the boat. And that's basically the utility. You can see now the boat's going to continue going through the line and continue along the race. But it's something that'll help you during the beginning of the race and hopefully give you a competitive advantage. And that's my project.